Hey guys, today I'm showing how to make donut art. Today, bye. Start by cutting out a circle in your plate. The donut. Now we're gonna get the paintbrush. Start by painting your edge brown. We're gonna put this all here in pink. And here's your donut. And now for the final touch, sprinkles! Put the blue on top of the pink. And look at that, the glue's coming. Let it dry. Now let it dry. Now let it dry. Now here's your donut art. Just don't eat it. It's paint. It's just glue on it. If your plate was bigger like mine, you can cut the edge smaller with mine here. Here. I'm cutting along the edge. Oh wow, now that looks better. Hey, so I love that donut you made. Can I take a bite? No. I'm just joking. So, hi guys, and also, if you're new here, my name is Zach. I'm my sister's brother here. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.